here just in time. Just a couple of weeks.
The doggies don't remember, you know.
Oh, yeah. He remembers even looking outside, out the window, daydreaming, thinking about it.
It's like if he didn't remember, he'd react this exact same way to any person that came over.
Yeah.
Well, of course he remembers. Oh, get down, cuddly. Oh, okay.
You are gonna injure yourself.
Okay.
I'll
turn on this now. Hey!
This weather makes it seem like Christmas.
What is that?
Huh?
Yeah. It's totally, and then your tree in your house.
Oh, that's for my fingernails.
Oh.
Here's some grapes while I get the soup
At
ready.
first I didn't feel like leaving Maui.
Can you turn on the show for me?
But now I'm happy being back. Aww. Christmas show, Kaya? Is that what you want?
Well, I got Winnie the Pooh.
Ew!
You don't have a Christmas show?
Well, yeah, but they're grown-up
Oh,
ones.
she can. There's got to be something.
There's a unicorn one.
A unicorn Christmas?
No.
I'm a unicorn.
Oh wait, let's see. Is that the one? The last? Oh.
Wet. Call Lily. No, you don't have to bark now.
Oh
Kaleo.
man, he hit into my.
You okay?
This one.
Series that offers great movies for the entire family to share at collectible prices.
Because they've seen no unicorns for a while does not mean that we've all vanished.
Take off on an
Kaleo
endless journey full of
is
magic
so
and
happy.
wonder. Featuring the vocal talents of William Farrow, Jeff
You've been
Bridges,
such a
and
good
Osho
boy.
Lansbury.
Such a good boy for grandma. You stayed with grandma. Dad's a good boy. Good boy, stay.
And watch for the animal adventure that has captured the
That was a
hearts
good
of
boy.
young and old. Goldie.
Oh my gosh, what is it? The Christmas wish. Oh my gosh, what do you think of that, Kaya?
That's a nice Christmas book.
Aww.
Nice.
You can read it.
I can read it. I'll read it to you.
Should we push pause? Let's push pause on this one.
You want to read this?
You can read it by yourself.
I'll read it later.
Okay.
Maybe at bedtime he would read it to you.
Okay. For bed.
Oh gosh.